Author's note. As an author, I am proud to have shared my insights and expertise with readers to continue exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what is of discovery and innovation. Pradeep K. Suri. A preface and acknowledgement. Preface. The AI/ML Handbook provides a comprehensive introduction to artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning designed for both beginners and experienced practitioners, offering accessible content even for those without prior knowledge of AI/ML. Motivated by the rapid advancements in AI/ML technologies and their transformative impact on daily life and industries, the handbook aims to deliver a clear and concise to a broad audience. The author acknowledges the foundational contributions of researchers and practitioners who have lecture with Python. These works provide practical insights into AI's industrial applications. The author's latest work, AI/ML Handbook, continues this mission.